You can see as it is under engine management, P0171 fuel trim malfunction bank 1 history. Your vehicle illuminate P0171. This is the problem. As a first step, you need to change this one. I'm going to show you how to change it. First, we need to disconnect this clip here. This is the new part from the main dealer. This is the part number if you want. Switch off the car, ignition on, and I'm going to recall codes again. This is Vauxhall Corsa 2013, engine management on. We'll see what happened on there. I'm going to start the car. You can see as it is, engine management light on. I'm going to diagnostic with computer. Switch off the car, ignition on. I already plugged in my computer, OBD connector underneath here. I'm going to take a full computer report. Sometimes Snap-on computer not talk with Vauxhalls individually. That's why I call full report. You can see as it is under engine management, P0171 fuel trim malfunction bank 1 history, and there is another code P0420 cat system efficient below threshold bank 1 current history. Could be this faulty sensor trigger up for the bottom one. However, I'm going to show you to have a P0171. I'm going to show you how to sort out that problem. Once we sort out this problem, it could be settle down the cat system. We go to the engine bay and I'll show you what's going on there. Switch off the car. According to that faulty code, we need to change this sensor. This one called Purge Valve. If your vehicle illuminate P0171, this is the problem. As a first step, you need to change this one. I'm going to show you how to change it. First, we need to disconnect this clip here. Right. After that, I need to disconnect here and there. Use little bit WD-40. Right, it's come out. After that, we need to disconnect from this bracket underneath here. Same thing you can do. Apply little bit WD-40 and remove. It's come out. Then after that, we need to remove from back here. You can see this green brick, this green one. We need to press and pull. Right, you can press this green bit and pull, it will come out. This is the new part from the main dealer. This is the part number if you want. I'm going to compare new one and old one. both has a 2-pin, all same. Then after that, what we have to do, remove this plastic connector and install to new one. Spray WD-40. Right, now you can remove it. It's going to install here. After that, this plastic bit needs to install here to the bracket. However, before that, I'm going to connect this green color bit here. Just press. Right, it's in now. Now press in here to the connector. After that, need to connect this hose. Right, all in. After that, need to connect this electric connector. All done in engine bay. Need to go inside the car. After that, ignition on, and I'm going to delete all faulty codes. Right, all cleared. Switch off the car, and I'm going to start the car. You can see as it is, engine management light disappeared. However, I'm not going to stop from here. I'm going to switch off the car, ignition on, and I'm going to recall codes again. You can see as it is, 0 code for the under engine management. That means we are fine. Thanks for watching. If you have a P0171 faulty code, especially Vauxhall, you know what to do now. Follow this video. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow our channel so you can get a lot of useful tips and videos. See you with the next video.